Okay, this is one of the cedars that I was just looking at, but I can't step very far backwards. This is about it, I'm sorry, but look at how there's all these branches growing towards the sun because we've got this opening here. And look at nature. Nothing growing on that side, not a whole lot of sun. But up there, there's some more branches on that side. But look at them all on that side. And then check out these roots growing out of the boulder. Look at those long finger toes. My mission is to get to that. I think we should be fine. Starting to see it more, and that's so freaking cool. Like, of course, we have to go there, right? Not much of an option. Look, it even has parts of the rock and the roots. Woo! Oh, I'm getting dirt and leaves in my foot. This one is, ooh, wedged in there pretty good. God, isn't this beautiful? Now, come on, I think I can do, where is it? Some sort of a, like, bottom of a table with this, right? Like, how can I make that look spectacular? There are ways, right? Like, this is too gorgeous. Sorry, I'm getting attacked by branches.